Warren Buffett is widely considered one of the most successful investors of all time, with a net worth of over $100 billion. But how did he make his fortune? Buffett was born in Omaha, Nebraska, in 1930. He showed an early aptitude for business, selling chewing gum, Coca-Cola, and magazines door to door. Buffett went on to study at the University of Nebraska and then at Columbia University, where he learned the value investing philosophy of Benjamin Graham. Graham believed in buying stocks at a discount to their intrinsic value, focusing on companies with strong financials and stable earnings. Buffett put these principles into practice when he took over the struggling textile company, Berkshire Hathaway, in 1965. Buffett is also a proponent of giving back. He has pledged to give away the majority of his wealth to philanthropic causes and has already donated billions to charity. Despite his massive wealth, Buffett is known for his frugal lifestyle. He still lives in the modest house he purchased in 1958 and enjoys simple pleasures like playing bridge with friends. Today, Buffett's investment company, Berkshire Hathaway, owns a diverse portfolio of businesses, including Geico, Dairy Queen, and Fruit of the Loom. Buffett's net worth has grown steadily over the years, but he remains committed to his value investing philosophy and his dedication to giving back. Warren Buffett's success is a testament to his disciplined approach to investing and his commitment to using his wealth for the greater good. He is a true inspiration to investors and philanthropists alike. Thank you for watching.